I try to do the best I can to focus this up here. So this is the JB weld stuff, JB tank weld. So we're going to go ahead and mix it up, and then we're going to try to apply it on the tank. I used a wire brush on the drill to just clean up a little bit, get the paint and the rust and the crud out of there. You can see it's pretty clean now. I'm not going to use a solvent or anything, I don't think it's that necessary, but we are going to clean up all the dust that's on there. We'll find out, won't we though? We'll find out. So this is fuel resistant tank weld. See what's going on. So I'm going to slice it with the knife. Nice and even. We're going to mix the first one up. I'm going to see how it goes. It's nice and warm out. It's like 90 today, so it's going to mix fast. It's going to set up really quick. You know. Beautiful color. What color is it supposed to be? Mixing up real nice, right? Alright, so we're going to use a little bit of pressure in the screw holes. This is the fuel sender, so we're just trying to seal it up. Uh-oh. Alright, it's going to get loud now. Hold on. Gonna blow. I just got in there. Gonna blow it out. Hold on. Let me see. Oh, that was close. Uh-oh. sense like a 120 or 220, and then the micro inverter would activate or something? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah, IQ8, okay. Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay. Okay, so that has to have, it has to have voltage coming in from like a live, like a landline or something like that, the grid. Well, how does that work? Like, how does the off-grid system work? Yeah, how does it work? So, could you? Yeah, could you please? Yeah. I want to see how realistic it is to do it. Is it something I could do on my own, or would I have to hire someone to do it?